Alright guys, doing some pond fishing today at a pond I haven't made a video at yet, but I've been here a couple times. Starting out with a little white chatterbait. I'm sorry if the audio isn't going to be that great, but as you guys can see, it's pretty windy. So, see if we can get anything. Got one. Might be a good one. Second cast. That's not a bad one. He felt like a tank when he hit it. Get him out of them weeds. Oh, it ain't big at all. It just felt a lot bigger. Take that to start though. Right there, a little one. Maybe a pound. But there he is. Gotta check him out past those weeds. And we'll get back to you with more. I honestly should probably be throwing a crankbait, but there's so many weeds that I just don't want to have to deal with that, and this will handle the weeds a little bit better. Got one. Way out there. He's pretty small, I think. Doesn't look terrible. Might be better than the last one, let's hope. Yeah, he's a touch bigger. Hooked him in the same exact spot. I always get crap on my lens, but another little one. He might be a bit better. Just hooked pretty good. There we go. As you guys can see, just pulling that fish in, tons of weeds. They're everywhere. But get them back. I'll get back to you with more. Got one. I think he's little. Hopefully he doesn't spit it. Just about water skied him. Definitely the smallest one of the day right there, guys. Even though we haven't been here very long. He's a small one, but we'll get him back. Let's get another. As you guys can tell, it's pretty stinking windy. Good thing is though, it's good for moving baits, so hopefully we stay on them. Got one. That again felt weird. It felt like a weeds. Then it started fighting. These things fight pretty hard for their size. They're all pretty small so far. Right there, he's better than the last one. It's a little bit chunky. Let's get some more. Alright guys, so that last one I caught, he was just like sitting right on the weed edge, and I had another bite right on the weed edge. So I'm hoping maybe that's where they're sitting. I can just use that as a pattern, see if I can get some more, but might need to switch to a more weedless bait maybe. A little Texas rig or something. Just work the edges, but I don't know. We'll see. There's one. These little fish fight so hard. well, there's another one, another little one. Let's see if we can get any more. You guys got one? Popped off right here. Got him. There he is, another little one. Get back to you some more. Guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. It's still pretty windy, but caught some fish, not a ton, but they're all, it's pretty small, nothing too big. Would have liked to get some bigger ones, but you know, that's just how it is sometimes. They all came on the chatterbait, which is something I don't use that often. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.